Wherever you are.
Blue Choco's not afraid of you anymore, Mort.
So fast.
He's gonna defeat you. Ooh, hey, hold up. It's. I thought that was Garfield for a second. So I might probably soon be able to get the orange cat. But anyways, oh my god!
Why you here?
Say goodbye.
It's time to go full Mort mode.
Stab.
Go summon the great. Eat it and also die.
I am not. Wait, he's summoning King Julian? What do you think is going on?
Eat me and